send it all to you. The problem with that is this was created using this process. As you can see, it's very long. Each step is done by a person. So if you work in corporate, you know that can take a very long time to get one person to do one thing. So what we want to do is the customer wants to be able to say, okay, we want these parts, we want this configuration, all these settings, and then we want you to create that as a quote and send it to us, because the way Ericsson is set up, if it doesn't match this quote, they can't do it, it doesn't work. So the problem right now, of course, is the timing, and that right now there are 183 quotes like this that they send to the customer, and so if the customer doesn't have that configuration, they don't have anything they can purchase, and that causes issues. So the other issue is whenever there is a part update, for example, this KQ part is being updated. When there's a part update, they have to go through every single quote and update that manually. What we want to do is create a tool within Excel that will allow user, the customer, or sales, to answer specific questions, and then with those questions, the tool will validate the contents with building blocks, for example, a DU block and a 21 block, and then create it, say, yes, this configuration does work, and then it will generate an inquiry number, send it to sales, say, hey, you can send this out to the customer. If it's pre-existing, the process is much easier. So this quote has already been created by another salesperson, feel free to use it and send it off to the customer. If it's new, it will create a BOM, a bill of materials, update to SAP, and create the inquiry number for the customer. So obviously that would increase customer satisfaction. They can order whatever they want, streamline the process. All the pink boxes are automated, so that will save a lot of time compared to this 8-step process done by hand. And that's all. That's it. Any questions? Yes. Yes.
Do you think that this would also integrate with Microsoft Dynamics?
I'm not familiar with Microsoft.
It's a comparable to SAP.
That I don't know. Ericsson uses SAP, so we're only focusing on that.
I understand. But is Ericsson intending this only for its internal use, or would they consider selling this?
Right now it's only for internal use. It's for with a specific customer. Any other questions? Yes.
Did you say it's going to work with Excel?
Yes. So it'll be an Excel file that we will store on a server online, and then the sales team will download that file. The file will check to see that nobody else has it open, and then once it's confirmed that it's good to go, they can answer the questions, create the BOM, and do that. So
All the customer interaction will be done in Excel?
yes. And so then it'll generate an email to send to the PSM, Product Supply Management, when it needs to, if it needs to create a new quote. If the quote already exists, it will search the database of quotes that we have, and it will tell the customer this quote has already been made, use this one and create your purchase order.
What about macros? Is that a problem?
It'll use macros, yes.
Will be file items?
Yes. So the
So
only
I
thing
think it's really good because everybody has Excel.
yes, yeah, so that's what we thought.
Yes, that was really smart.
Yeah, so the only thing the customer will see is that Excel file, that front page. They'll answer the questions, and they'll click a button, they'll pop up, here's your quote. So that's how that works.
Very good.
Any other questions? Yes.
Just another question, what's your plan moving forward?
So we've got some of the pseudocode done, we've got a parts database. The products we're working with, there's 4 phases of them. We're going to focus on phase 1, get it all set up, have the tool fully functional, and then we'll add phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. Any other questions?